All right, so I'm doing the ECM on the Saab 9.3 turbo. You know you gotta take off the little bolts right here, get the casing off. I had already pre-took them off. Keep it on the thing. All right, so the ECM located right here. I already took it off prior. Keep it right there. I got it fresh. Got my ECM. One of them, the old one. Okay, so this is the good one. This is the good one, they say. And this is my old one, the bad one. So what I did, I had it cloned from the bad one to the good one. And we're just gonna see if it works out. Hopefully it does. And put it right there. Hopefully it does. So let's give this a shot. All right. So you just take these out the way, right here, right here. Put that out the way. Okay. So this one looks a little different than mine, but I know it's the same thing. Same ECU. So I'm gonna put the bolts in. In this far corner over here, there's a little cable, battery connected to the battery. So you wanna not forget that when you're hooking it back up. That's important. My son is recording this. I don't know how it's gonna come out. So let's just see. This is in real time, raw video. Getting all the screws in. 4 10mm bolt. So tighten these up. That one there. This one here. Take out some of the play. Bolts, have some little hidden. Try to keep it up here. Yep. All right. That one there. Hold it right there. Yeah, I just got this spray. I'm gonna spray the connectors in case any dirt got in it. Electronic cleaner. Oh shit, sorry. In case any dirt got in there. While it's fat. Took about 4 days for me to get the part. I broke this taking it off prior, so I'm hoping that doesn't have any effect on my car. I'm gonna try to put it on. Oh, okay. So it clicked back on, but this is obviously broken. The other one should do the same. You don't never press down on it. You kind of let it, you wiggle it on there. And that snapped on, and they're both snapped on. All right. So I got this service done from the ECU cloning service, and we're doing this in real time. We're going to start it up and see if it works. Wish me luck. Wow, started up. It started up, and I'll leave the description in there if you guys need your ECU done or clone. So far it started up good. I'm going to let it run. Of course, put the case back on. I'm going to run and let it see how it works. All right, thank you.